If you feel the need to add more exercises to what we have listed for you, you are likely not working hard enough in the exercises that are there. I know because I build the programs, I do the programs, we put them through, we put our clients, our personal training clients in the studio through these types of programs. And if you are feeling like you're finishing the workout too fast, or it's not hard enough and you need more exercises, you're likely not pushing yourself hard enough in each individual exercise. Maybe add on another warm-up set if you need to, maybe add on a little bit more weight, add on a couple more reps. But if you start getting into like the 15 and 20 rep range and it's still pretty easy, that tells me that that weight is likely way too light for you, okay? So you should not need to throw more shit into the workout to make it just a bunch of randomness. Do as it's listed. I promise you, this is how I have built IFBB Pro Body. I have built other IFBB Pros, winning competitors, and women, lifestyle women, just like most of you here who just want to transform the shape of their body, was through these exact type of workouts. There's no fluff, no crazy weirdness, okay? Must all exercises be done in one session, or can you break them up? I would suggest you get them all done in one session. I would not try to break them up unless your schedule doesn't permit for you to knock them all out. Maybe you do half in the morning and half at night. That's a lot of time in the gym. I'm not really a big fan of that. So I would do what you can and then just start back in the challenge with the next day or the next workout. I would not split them up if you unless you absolutely have to. That just sounds absolutely awful to me. But to each his own. If you need to do that to knock them out in a day, go for it.